Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and strategies for success in the digital world. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that could potentially change your life. We're going to dive into the world of Instagram theme pages and reveal how they can pave your path to becoming a multimillionaire in 2023. So, let's get started. Segment 1, Understanding Instagram Theme Pages. Before we jump into the potential for wealth, let's understand what Instagram theme pages are. Theme pages are specialized accounts on Instagram that focus on a specific niche or interest. They curate and share content related to their chosen theme, attracting a targeted audience. Examples of popular theme pages include fashion, fitness, travel, and food. So, how can these theme pages turn your fortunes around? Let's find out. Segment 2, Building a Theme Page Empire. The first step towards making millions with Instagram theme pages is to build your empire. Here's how you can do it. Find your niche, research and identify a niche that interests you and has the potential for growth. It's crucial to choose a theme that aligns with your passion and expertise. Create engaging content, post high-quality and visually appealing content consistently. This will attract followers and keep them engaged. Utilize different formats like photos, videos, and stories to diversify your content strategy. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, messages, and engage with your followers regularly. Building a strong connection with your audience will help you gain their trust and loyalty. Collaborate with influencers. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can help expand your reach and expose your theme page to a wider audience. Reach out to influencers and propose mutually beneficial partnerships. Leverage hashtags and trends. Utilize relevant hashtags and stay updated with the latest trends in your niche. This will increase your chances of appearing in search results and attract more followers. Segment 3, Monetizing your theme page. Now that you've built a substantial following on your theme page, it's time to monetize your efforts. Here are some effective strategies to generate income. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with brands and businesses in your niche to promote their products or services. Sponsored posts can be a lucrative source of income, especially if you have a large and engaged audience. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services through your theme page. Earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. Sell your own products. Develop your own merchandise or digital products related to your niche. For example, if you have a fitness theme page, you could create an ebook or a workout program to sell to your followers. Brand partnerships. As your theme page grows in popularity, you may attract attention from larger brands seeking partnerships. Negotiate brand deals that align with your values and theme page content. Ad revenue. Once your theme page reaches a certain size, you can apply for monetization options such as Instagram's creator program or collaborate with ad networks to display targeted advertisements. Segment 4, Scaling your business. Congratulations! You're now generating income from your Instagram theme page. To become a multimillionaire, it's important to scale your business and maximize your earnings. Expand your theme page network. Create multiple theme pages in different niches to diversify your income streams. Each page can have its unique audience and monetization opportunities. Build a team. As your empire grows, consider hiring individuals to help you manage and create content for your theme pages. This will free up your time to focus on strategic decisions and further growth. Develop your personal brand. Establish yourself as an authority in your niche by building a strong personal brand. This can open doors to speaking engagements, consulting opportunities, and partnerships outside of Instagram. Explore e-commerce. Consider launching an e-commerce store, selling products related to your theme page or partnering with dropshipping suppliers. This can create an additional revenue stream and enhance your brand presence. Expand to other platforms. While Instagram is a powerful platform, don't limit yourself. Explore other social media platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, or a blog to reach a wider audience and diversify your reach. Create your own digital products. Develop and sell digital products such as online courses, ebooks, or membership programs. These products can be scalable and generate passive income while providing value to your audience. Invest and diversify. As you accumulate wealth from your theme page empire, consider diversifying your investments. Explore opportunities in real estate, stocks, or other business ventures to secure long-term financial growth. Segment 5, Keys to Success. While the potential to become a multimillionaire through Instagram theme pages is exciting, it's important to keep these key factors in mind: consistency and quality. Consistently produce high-quality content and engage with your audience to maintain growth and attract opportunities. Adaptability. Stay updated with the ever-evolving trends and changes in the social media landscape. Be open to adapting your strategies to remain relevant and seize new opportunities. Authenticity and value. Provide genuine value to your audience and maintain authenticity. Building trust is crucial for long-term success. Patience and persistence. Growing an Instagram theme page and achieving multimillionaire status takes time and persistence. Stay committed to your goals, even during challenging times. Continuous learning. Invest in your knowledge and skills. Stay up to date with the latest social media strategies, marketing techniques, and business trends. In conclusion, Instagram theme pages have the potential to make you a multimillionaire in 2023. By building a strong brand, engaging with your audience, and monetizing your efforts strategically, you can create a scalable and profitable business. Remember, it requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt to the changing landscape of social media. So, if you're passionate about a particular niche and ready to embark on a journey towards financial independence, don't hesitate to dive into the world of Instagram theme pages. The possibilities are endless, and who knows, you might be the next multi-millionaire influencer. That's all for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.